Hello everyone, today I will show you how to pay the same price for all rides in Lyft. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to go to Lyft app and then you want to go to trips. So here you will see what's called a price lock. So a price lock is basically you are able to lock the same price for all the rides that you take often. You need to click on manage passes and basically you are paying a pass in order to save the money from all the rides that you take often. So let's say my pickup location to be this location, right? And then my destination to be this location, and then I choose the time. So as you can see, you are paying $2.99 each month in order to pay 13.34 or less compared to the price that you often have when you don't lock it. So when you finish setting up the rides, you can click on claim fee trial. So the thing is, you have to pay the passes in order to lock the prices. So it is not free, but it is a way for you to save the money from other rides. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.